cherry. I don't know if that's the heartwood right there.
That's probably hard. I don't know. Ah, fuck no. Got some rot right there. Hopefully it doesn't go too deep. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get a live edge piece of that, I think. Maybe, yeah. That's beautiful. All the curls. There's that trap. Alright, now I got them up here like that. I wanted to cut some wide ones like that, but it's got some cracking, and then it's got some different stuff that you might not be able to tell now, but when it dries, like for example, this is gonna crack like hell. Might crack there. They're only about like 4 inches, 5 inches thick, but it'll still be something.
I come across them, I'll start saving
There
them.
was someone out there on the road by your house.
I know, some good ones. There's still some pieces of them down in there.
Be knocking down my door trying to do a documentary. Get me some too now.
Oh, they're right there. Here we go. That's the one?
Yeah, I believe so.
Alright.
That's one way to do it,
This is the
right?
belt right here.
What else you need? Oh. Don't go stealing the sucker now. I have to tackle you over something so silly. Well, what's your phone number, dear? Sounds fake. I love it.
It's your real number. It's his mom's number. Perfect.
Every time.
Whoa.
My God.
See if you can just break it apart without tearing the hell out of it. God, man. Exactly what I meant.
That's awesome. Alright. Started as an outdoor kiln to air dry, and now we're gonna hook up a, what are those called? Fire,
Yeah.
a wood stove.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a wood
We're gonna
stove.
use up the existing energy that the sun provided.
Yeah.